It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm about to tell y'all the secrets, okay? What I have been doing to my face during this pregnancy, okay? Every time people see me, they say, "Ooh, you got this glow and all that," but honey, okay, my face has been going through, okay? So I was showing you all of the dark spots from the acne where they have like healed up. So it's been a journey. I'm showing you some of the products that I'll be using today. I started using the Mary Kay clear proof system because my face, it had just got out of hand, okay? It was broke out. It was just, it was a mess. My skin ain't never looked like that. So I started using the clear proof acne system, and I ended up going back to the Time Wise cleanser and using the clear proof toner. So I found that that has been working well for me. So with the Mary Kay products, you can kind of mix and match them to your liking. So that's been doing the job, and a lot of my pregnancy acne has started to clear up. But what has been left behind is the darkness from where those bumps kind of came and went. So this has been my makeup routine. I first go in with the CC cream in deep, and that CC stands for color correcting, okay? And as you can see, it just covered up that darkness beautifully. After that, then I go in with my foundation shade, and I'm using Bronze W40, I believe. I think I held it up to the camera for y'all, but it's either Bronze W40 or 140 or something like that, y'all. Then I take this flat top brush and just press it in. If you've been around for a while, you know I like to press that foundation in. I did speed this up because it takes me a minute to press it in. This foundation has a matte finish, so I usually just keep pressing it until it starts matting down and until the foundation starts to oxidize. And yeah. So in my space, in my last video, as I said, I am changing things up. Of course, we have a baby coming, right? So you will see the backdrop back up shortly, but for now you see all kind of stuff in the background, okay? So just ignore that. Now I'm going in with the concealer, and I pretty much put this in all of the same places. Nothing has really changed here. Then I'm going to press it in, okay? And with the concealer, the longer you let it sit, it kind of thickens up a little bit. So for this, I actually left it in real time so you can kind of see how I pressed it in. I just take my time and just, you know, press it on into the skin. And if you want your makeup to look skin-alike, this is the best way to do it, okay? People always tell me, your makeup looks like your skin. And I'm like, what is it supposed to look like? So this is how I do it. It gives me like a nice skin finish, if that's what y'all calling it. but I love it and people love it as well, so try it out. So now I'm going in with these powders. I'm just showing you the powders that I use to highlight and put all over my face, and my blush and my contour powders. I press that under the eye area out last, just so that it can kind of thicken up a little bit and just really get in there and do the job. You don't want to apply your concealer and start blending it out right away, because it's not really going to cover how you want it to cover. Now I'm going in with my powders, and I'm just going to start pressing that in under the eye first, okay? So I blend my concealer out under my eye last, and I apply the powder in that area first, just to make sure it's no creasing or that concealer doesn't move or anything like that. I really have to pay close attention to that area. And with allergies and all of this pollen and everything going on, my eyes have been watering like crazy. So trying to keep that area dry, it has been a doozy. So after I go in with that lighter shade, I'm going to come in with that darker shade on the rest of my face with a bigger, kind of fluffier brush to just apply that powder all over. Mainly on kind of like, you know, the perimeter of my face. I like to keep the inside light and the outside a little darker. Some of y'all beauties apply your makeup all the way down onto your neck and everything. I really don't do that. So as much as I do, it's just, you know, apply a little powder down onto the neck, a little bit, if any, just to kind of, you know, blend the face with the neck and all that. But if you do apply foundation on your neck, kudos to you, but that's just not for me. I like to do my makeup before I get dressed, so I can have makeup all on my neck and everything. Now I'm going in with the blush and the contour. And that contour I bring down under my neck a pinch. And for me, that has worked, just having that powder under there. So if you do the whole foundation and all that under there, kudos to you. Now I'm going in with those highlight shades that I showed y'all. I like to kind of just mix them together, to just dip into all of them really and just put it on. It's just like that. At this time I look and, you know, get a little feel for how the skin is looking. Then I go on to the eyes. Most of the time I do my face first and then my eyes. It really depends on what kind of look I'm going for. For today I was going for a more natural, kind of subtle look. This is kind of like my everyday look. It's really not a whole lot. It's like, you know, a focus on the complexion. And then the eye look is just, you know, like a little natural something, okay? So when I do that kind of eye look, I do my face first. If I'm doing an eye look where we got a cut crease, we got colors, the rainbow, we got glitter and all that, I will do my eyes first for that kind of look. Okay, so it's plenty of those looks on the channel. Definitely make sure you check them out. This channel is kind of on the new side, so make sure y'all subscribe and make sure y'all share these videos so that we can increase the Itz Sirap HSB family over here. After I get those browns and everything kind of blended for my background, I'm going in with some of that concealer on the lid, and I'm just tapping that out with this fluffy brush. This is how I do my kind of everyday diffused cut crease. I just put that concealer there and kind of, you know, blow it out and then apply a shimmer on top. I went in with this brush right here, y'all, and it did not do what I wanted it to do. So I went in with a fluffier brush, and those fluffy brushes just do the job, okay? That fluffy brush just got that little shimmer go right on there, and I ain't have no issues. Okay, so with my shimmers, how I like to apply them, I like to kind of press them on and then swipe across it. When you press it in and swipe across it, it kind of just makes like the shimmer like stand out. It's kind of crazy. So if you wear a lot of shimmer eyeshadows, try to pack it on and then start swiping across it. It feels like it makes it stand out. So after I get that how I like it, it's time to go on to the brows. I used to do my brows before I did my eyeshadow, but lately I like doing my brows after my eyeshadow. Okay, and this little brow liner pencil thingy, I got it from Shein. I don't know if I got two of them. So one of them is like a dark brown, and one of them is kind of like almost a black. I believe it's called ash. I think I got ash and brown or something like that. So the darker one is my favorite because, you know, if you know, you know, I love me a nice dark brow. Okay, so I prefer the darker one. I don't know which one this was, because based off of my facial expression, it wasn't given at the time. But when I went in with my brow powder, it kind of, you know, sealed the deal. So I go in with that darkest shade of the brow powder to just darken those brows up and to further perfect them. But I used to do my brows first. At that time, I was, you know, concealing the top and the bottom of the brow and all that. And nowadays, I don't even do that no more, y'all. I really don't. If I did a look where I did my eyes first, maybe I would do that. So for St. Patrick's Day, we may do like some funky green makeup or something. And I might do the brows first and do like a cut crease and all that fun stuff. Okay. So this is the look that I just did for y'all. This is a kind of everyday, like work, throw on kind of look. So I hope you all enjoyed it and the voiceover. Okay. So if you want to see me unbox this wig and all that, that video will be up. And make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. It's kind of new It's the Itz Sirap HSB channel, the Itz Sirap Hair, Skin, and Body channel. So if you are interested in seeing hair, makeup, body products, and stuff like that, this is the place to be. Okay, so hit that subscribe button. Let's get this subscriber count up so we can start doing some giveaways and some other fun stuff over here. Okay, so let me know in the comments how you feel about the look, and give this video a big old thumbs up. And always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order. Okay, and guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.